What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Raicer channel. It is me again. My name is Patrick, and welcome back. Today is a very gloomy day here in Toronto, but we have an installed video today. I'm going to try and do this install. Today we're installing on my Civic Type R. We're going to be installing these bad boys. We're going to be installing these reflectors that are in the back of the vehicle, in the back bumper, but these are LED ones, so they're going to light up. We're going to race out my car. Who gives a fuck, right? It's my car. But anyways, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go to the nearest hardware store and then go buy whatever else I need to, wire this baby up. Okay. All right, guys, enjoy the video. All right, yo, I got the stuff I needed. That's all I need. These connectors. But yeah, I bought some food. Let me go eat some first, bro. So hungry. All right, I got my anime on. Got the Rising of the Shield Hero. I got some food. Got some beef shawarma, baby. If you guys don't eat this, you guys are really missing out. So we'll be installing, like I said, we'll be installing these LED reflectors. We're just replacing these ones right here with this one. These ones don't light up, and this one will light up. So hopefully that looks good. And okay, so I've never installed these before, so I don't know how to install these, but I'm gonna get under the car and see how it works. All right, I chose a horrible day to start doing this because everything under the car is wet. But let's see what we can do. Yeah, so I gotta take out the under panel of the vehicle. Where's this thing? You can use one of the trim removal tools. There's one. So you gotta remove, I think there's 4 or 5 of these. There's 2. Oh boy. I just stabbed myself. There we go. So there's 5 of those, I think. Freaking hands are so wet already. Alright, you see this thing? Now it's hanging down. I can't take off the whole thing because I do have my rally armors in there. But now that the hole is there, I can probably pop out the reflector now. I don't have to take off the rear bumper. I know a lot of guys are taking off the rear bumper. Let's try without doing it because that's a lot of work. I won't be able to show you guys because it's so tight in there, but there's about 6 or 7. It's not even like, it's just push clips, so you can just push them out. Okay. This is really fucking difficult. Oh. Fucking water in my eye, dirty water in my eye. I'm like sweating, but it's wet outside, so you can't really see it. So I got the bottom ones cleared. So you don't want to fucking mess with this too much. Please don't get mad. Alright. Don't click back in. Oh, fuck yeah! Alright, guys, be very careful. I feel like I'm gonna fucking snap something. It goes all the way here, though. Okay, this is super sketch. I'm like super afraid right now. Oh, fuck yeah! Oh shit! All right, so I have a dilemma. Okay, so I want you guys to look at this. This is the original one. See how these clips are there, and that clip is there. And then this is the aftermarket eBay one that I bought. There's one clip, but there's no other clip. So I'm trying to figure out a way for it to stay without moving so much, but that's kind of being a struggle right now. So let me see what I can do. I figured it out, but if you look outside, it's fucking pouring outside, so I don't know if I want to continue this, but alright, so what I did was I removed there's 8mm bolts here. I popped off the tail light right there. Just gotta be careful because there's tabs there you don't want to snap. I just ran LED reflector light and then just tried to grab with my other hand. There's a little hole here, you can see that. So I grabbed it from there and I ran it through there. Now I put some 3M tape on it. Make sure you guys get some industrial grade 3M tape. Just put some on the top and also in the middle here. And see this little hole here? There's a hole on the actual housing itself. So you're gonna need like a self-tapper or any type of screw that will, like a tiny screw that will fit. I bought this at a hardware store. It's like 20 cents, but it works and it fits. So, all right, so now it's like super snug. I'll show you guys. This is the back, screws there. It has a little janky clip, but it doesn't even work very well. So that's what the 3M is for. And then you have the wire running up through this hole. There's a hole there, up to the tail light. Let me see if I can do the wiring now.
2 hours later.
Alright, so we're back. I totally said fuck it and just did it, and I got it to work. So this is lit as well as lit. So when I press on the brake, this will light up more. It was a bitch. It's like almost already evening and wasted a lot of time. But anyways, so I did the wiring. So I connected the ground to any ground of one of these, any black wire. And there was 3 wires, there's a green one and also a red one. So this green wire will connect to this gray wire right here. And then the red wire from the harness will go to this green wire over here. So green and gray and red to green to gray and red to green. And then, so the red one will control your brake. The other one is just your running light, so you're good on that. So if I brake right now, this is gonna light up more. Alright, so this side is done. Let me do the other side and I will show you guys the finished product of both sides. First, the best part in any unboxing or any installation that has plastic on it is this. Oh fuck, damn it. Yeah. Man, this shit is freaking hard, bro. I'm so tired. This is why I need friends, man. I'm just kidding. My homies are all at work. Like this, we can time lapse this time. Finally done. As you can see, brakes are on and the lights are on. Same with this side as well. It's a one-man job for sure, but you definitely need to take your time. They look great. They look very, very good. Like I said, the fitment is not the best, just because I believe it's just an eBay item, so it's not the best. There's an official one, but it's like costs like $200. I'm not trying to spend $200 on that. But anyways, I do have one more thing. I do have one more thing to put on this car, but fuck it, let's do it. That's right, guys. Finally have the Raicer decal on there. It's been a long time coming. I give a huge shout out to Custom Decals YYC. I think they look really, really good, and I'm so excited to see the future of the Raicer channel and
you know, to see what's next. Again, thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting the channel. I'm at 140 subscribers now. Can't wait to see what the future holds on to, but thank you guys again for so much for watching. And again, all roads lead together. Think about it, you probably know what it means, because technically all roads do lead together from all of us. Peace.